3 points. A few miles to go yet. I'm in this train for 20 minutes. I'm kind of looking for a place to camp. Let's take a find the headwind in this cow pasture. Dig into the water slides, bury your back. I'm ready to call it. Get some shots of the train. Find a tree to camp under. Working on that railroad, there were crews out there. I passed 3 separate crews. It's moving pretty slow. Slows my pace. Okay, now out of the room. Stuck in a sandbar wall.